Her Nana got it customized. Yeah, it says Soraya's Treasury of Nursery Rhymes. Yeah, girl.
I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am rich, I am that bitch. I am gonna go get that bag and I am not gonna take your shit. I am protected, well respected, I'm a queen, I'm a dream. I do what I wanna do and I'm who I wanna be, cause I am me. Subscribe.
Say hey MTV, welcome to my curves. Hey guys, it's your girl Candy Boo back at you with another video. And today we're in Rara's room. I'm gonna show you Rara's nursery. Say hi, baby. So let's start. So this is the walk-in. When you walk in, first thing you have over here is her beautiful butterfly wall that Bae and I did. Bae's behind the camera. Say hey, Bae.
What's up, man?
Yeah, you talking? This is her nameplate for when she was born. Got that off Amazon and everything will be linked below. This is her first doll. And of course we got a black doll because we have a black baby. Yeah. Yeah, girl. This yours. This yours. The lovely piggy bank. Love that. Her quick diaper caddy. We can pick it up and go move it around if we wanted to, but for the most part, honestly, it stays right there. Diapers, powder, some ointment, her brush and her comb, her passy. Our favorite thing is this hatch. If you don't have a hatch, get one. It is thebomb.com because you like it. We also have the changing table that weighs. It's the hatch changing table. We love it. It has a strap. Can tell us when she's growing and whatnot. The beautiful dresser. We changed out the knobs because we kind of have like a butterfly theme going on in here. So that's how we did that. And they're pretty deep. Got some clothing in there and stuff. This is all her medicine. I'm not gonna go through every drawer, but and we kind of have this little cube stuff to keep her stuff organized. Yeah, baby. Over here is her little trash can. We put her diaper pail. And we got the wipes. You trying to talk? You trying to talk to the people? That's her little mirror. Talk to the people. Tell them. Tell them about your room. Below me is her little mat. We love it. It's super fluffy and goes with her room. Over here is her little gym, little exercise gym. She's not a big fan of it all the time when she's on her stomach, but whatever. You gotta get you to roll over, right, babe? Her blackout curtains, which are really blackout. Just super cute. Go with the pink theme of her room. In the corner right here we have her teddy bear that Bae gave me for Valentine's Day, but now I'm giving it to her. Yeah, that's from Dada. Her crib, which her godfather bought, her blanket, and her mobile, which her dad got for Christmas. Super cute. Her stuffed animals, and nobody was telling me about, oh, the animals in the crib when she sleeps. She barely sleeps in here, 1, and 2, there's a lot of space over here, so she's good. You telling them? You telling them? You tell him, baby girl. You tell him. Her name sign, which Bae spray painted for me. We got that off Etsy. Love it. Like, I'm in love. Super, super loved. What you guys say? Nothing? Okay. Okay. I'll continue giving them a tour for you then. Over here, we just have her little night area. Butterfly lamp from Burlington. That's from Target, I believe. And her name sign, her Nana made for her. It has like her weight, name, birthday, all that good stuff. Like, love it. You got anything else to say? No? Yeah? That's it? Do you want to show them your closet? You see Dada behind the camera? You want to show them your closet? Let's show them your closet. Here's her closet, Jimmy closet. Here's her closet. We got a bunch of diapers up there. Clothes and stuff in here. She has clothes, and there's more clothes in her drawers and clothes in the wash right now. But these are her little hanging clothes, super cute, you know. Like, how precious. Love that. And of course, she has a bunch of Jamaican outfits because you gotta let people know you're Jamaican, right? Yeah. A calendar that my mom made. Her cute little shoes and books because we love reading to her. This is my favorite book. Ooh. Her Nana got it customized. Yeah, it says Soraya's Treasury of Nursery Rhymes. Yeah, girl. That's yours right there, boo. Love that. We also have in the corner what Bae made is her little bow. Her little bow stuff has all her bows, headbands. Super, super cute.
I love when you give it and I love when you don't. Hit me with the grease, sometimes you won't. You told me don't with no is you know. You got it, yeah, you got it, baby. Bust it on the floor. I keep it juicy, I eat that lunch. So keep that booty booty. So keep that plump. That that's beauty, beauty. Yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Back till you see it back, yeah. Back till you see it.
And over here, we have a rocker. Do you spend a lot of time in this? In the rocker? Yeah. You got the hiccups? We spend a lot of time in the rocker. We put her to sleep. Love it. My mom got it for us. At first I didn't want it because it was like too big, but I think it's just right. We also have in the corner a little laundry hamper. It's like full right now. We gotta do some laundry, but it goes the butterfly theme. Super cute. This is my crib. Yeah. Show them this is your crib, girl. Show them this is your crib. You tell them thank you. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell them. This is her room, guys. We love it. Hope y'all like it. Give y'all some ideas of what to do. Here's a little overview. Yeah, girl.
That's the carpet that we chose. making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine. I just wanna say you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to.
Hi. Like, comment, and subscribe.